In a small, quaint village nestled amidst the rolling hills lived a 73-year-old man named Milton. He had spent most of his life enduring the harsh realities of poverty. With each passing day, he struggled to make ends meet, barely scraping by with what little he had. Yet, despite his difficult circumstances, Milton wore a smile that lit up the faces of those around him. The village was known for its ancient traditions and mystic beliefs. One day, as the sun set in a blaze of colors, the village elder approached Milton with a mysterious gleam in his eye. He had heard tales of Milton's resilience and his unwavering optimism in the face of adversity. "Come with me, Milton," the elder said, his voice tinged with excitement. "I believe you hold the key to unlocking the journey of mystic perception of poverty." Intrigued, Milton followed the elder through the narrow, winding paths of the village until they reached a hidden grove. At its center stood an ancient tree, its gnarled roots seeming to reach deep into the very essence of the earth. "This tree," the elder explained, "is said to possess the wisdom of ages, a wisdom that can show you the true meaning of poverty." Milton approached the tree, his eyes fixated on its rugged bark. He closed his eyes, took a deep breath, and reached out to touch it. In that moment, he felt an overwhelming surge of emotions flood through him. He saw visions of people from all walks of life, each facing their own struggles and hardships. As Milton's perceptions shifted, he began to understand that poverty was not just a lack of material wealth, but a state of mind. He saw that even those who had everything they needed could still feel impoverished if they lacked love, compassion, and human connection. With newfound clarity, Milton embraced the essence of poverty in all its forms. He understood that life's true richness lay in the small moments of joy and the warmth of human companionship. He learned that gratitude was a treasure more valuable than any gold, and kindness was a currency that knew no bounds. Word of Milton's transformation spread like wildfire through the village. People came from far and wide to seek his wisdom and guidance. He became a beacon of hope, shining light on the paths of those who felt lost in the darkness of their own circumstances. Milton's simple dwelling became a place of gathering, where people shared stories, laughter, and tears.